Modern users need flexibility. They want access to platform tools without complicated installation steps, device restrictions, or unnecessary delays. SwayHorizonAi functions as a fully online platform, allowing users to access it directly through a browser. No additional software installation is required. This makes it easier to use from almost any device with an internet connection. For users who value convenience, browser-based access can be a major advantage. Whether reviewing account details, checking available options, or managing requests, the platform is designed to remain accessible and straightforward. SwayHorizonAi also supports access through VPN or Tor for users who prioritize privacy and security. For the best experience, a stable and fast internet connection is recommended, especially when following real-time updates and using platform features smoothly. During registration, users are asked to choose a preferred digital method for account setup. This selection is final, so users are encouraged to review their options carefully before completing the process. Registration itself does not require an initial balance step or payment information upfront. Users can first create their account, review the platform structure, and then complete additional setup steps when they are ready to use full functionality.